Hare Krishna. My humble obeisances to all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. Vanja kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyaivacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. For my humble obeisances to His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj, to Srila Prabhupada, and I beg for their merciful blessings on me that I may properly use this tongue and mouth and brain and mind and heart to properly glorify the pure devotee of the Lord who has had such a deep impact on my spiritual life and has become my Shiksha Guru. I first met His Holiness Bhakti Charu Maharaj when he came to New Orleans in 2012 or so. At that time, I did not know anything about Guru Maharaj, but I was so attracted simply by meeting his disciples. And one of his very dear disciples, Her Grace Anandini Mataji, in New Orleans became a very dear friend of mine. And the way she conducted herself with such deep friendship, such steady support and encouragement made a very deep impression on me. So when Bhakti Charu Maharaj came to New Orleans, I was very eager to meet him because of his disciple. That is the impact that he had on me through his disciple. So for 3 days, I stayed in New Orleans just to be near Guru Maharaj, listen to his lecture, listen to his beautiful bhajans. And I can still remember the very first lecture I heard. Guru Maharaj spoke on Jiva and the Lord. And he spoke with such authoritativeness, with such powerful knowledge, with such simplicity and clarity that it made a very deep impression in my heart. Especially when he said, if you take one step towards Krishna, he takes many, many thousands, millions of steps towards you. So that was so encouraging for me till today. I have not forgotten. And always Guru Maharaj maintained an even, pleasant, sweet tone of voice. I could see that he is a very exalted Vaishnav, very pure and transcendental. He was very gentle, but very firm at the same time, very humble, yet very powerful at the same time. And his sweet bhajans and kirtan just capture one's heart. So like this, I got the next day an opportunity at a home program. Somehow I had the good fortune of offering the chamara. So I was standing next to Guru Maharaj's Vyasasan and I was waving the chamara and I was looking at his beautiful lotus feet and I was simply praying, please help me to become fixed at your lotus feet. As though hearing or reading my mind, Maharaj turned to me and looked at me. And from that glance, I felt he has accepted my prayer. And from then on, I considered myself his Shiksha disciple. Next day, Maharaj came to New Talwan, where I used to live. And then he came up to me and he asked me some questions. From this, I felt that a heart-to-heart connection has been established because he took such personal interest. Even though it was just 2 minutes that he spoke with me, I felt very much soothed. A soothing feeling of peace came into my heart that Maharaj has accepted my prayer. After that, I did not see him in person except through lectures, YouTube videos, etc. But in Dallas, Maharaj did a matchless gift of Srila Prabhupada, a very powerful seminar that I was privileged to attend. In that seminar, Maharaj spoke with such authority and such clarity about this wonderful gift that Srila Prabhupada had given us that I can never forget how dear he is to Srila Prabhupada and how Prabhupada is so dear to Guru Maharaj through his teachings. At the end of that, I spoke to Guru Maharaj for just 2 minutes and I asked Guru Maharaj, Maharaj, I just want to become a traveling preacher for Srila Prabhupada. So Maharaj inclined his head and he said, yes. And I said, but I'm in a woman's body. What should I do? Maharaj said, at that level, it doesn't matter. So I felt that was great encouragement. I became very happy and I said, "So, Guru Maharaj, do I have your blessings?" And he said, "Yes." Those were the last words I spoke to Guru Maharaj. So I will always hold those words very dear in my heart. And when I conveyed this last few words to my Guru Maharaj, he says, "If Bhakti Charu Maharaj has blessed you, then your life is a success." Hari Bol. So I'm very grateful to Bhakti Charu Maharaj and all his wonderful disciples. I have met Mother Karunika, and very beautiful heart she has. She connected me to the Zoom class that you all have every day of Guru Maharaj. So now I'm again having Maharaj's association and the association of his dear disciples. Another very dear disciple of Bhakti Charu Maharaj, Her Grace Savitri Mataji, who also lives in Mayapur, has very kindly given me her association and mercy. So I'm so grateful to all of you, brothers and sisters, who have taken me under your wing and are giving me shelter and mercy. Bhakti Charu Maharaj ki jai.
Jai.
Thank you.